What's up, man?
What's going on, Mr. Man?
How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Good. I guess station 3 lock, please. Thank you. All right.
You have a good flight?
Gonna be a good time.